Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Enjoy 70X. Begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Huawei. Then you need to download the same app, code Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set it up. Let's start with an Android. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, choose wherever you want to. Then hit your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner. Now on Huawei, choose I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and receive right next to send. After that, choose whatever you want to in those two pop-ups. Now it's time to go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Select allow in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!